everybody, it's your girl Mrs. Garcia coming back with another video. To all my new watchers, hello and welcome. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as the bell notification down below. Today I'm going to show you guys how I make my Cajun tilapia with yellow rice. I'm going to show you everything I put inside. Let's get started. First, we're going to start off by chopping everything up for our rice. This here is fresh parsley. I'm just cutting the stems off, and then I'm gonna give that a good chop. Next, I am going to take my fresh ginger, peel the skin off, and I'm going to slice and mince that as well. If you're like me, use a lot of ginger, but it depends on how much rice you're making. I did make a cup of rice, so I did use about a teaspoon of ginger and then 1 clove of garlic. Next, we're going to take our tilapia and we're going to give that a good rinse. After you're done rinsing, make sure you pat dry your fish. Next, we're going to season. I'm going to start off with a little sprinkle of garlic salt. Next, we're going to use Obey seasoning. And Creole seasoning. And if you're like me, you're going to add cayenne pepper. All I'm doing now is just patting the seasoning into the fish, and then I'm just going to do the same thing to the other side. Look how pretty that is. Let's get cooking. So we're going to start off by doing our rice. I am going to add 1.5 teaspoons of extra virgin olive oil to my pan. And we are going to saute our parsley, garlic, and ginger until fragrant. Next, I'm going to take 1 cup of jasmine rice, and I'm going just to let that slightly toast, so about 1 to 2 minutes. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Next, I'm going to take some turmeric, about 1/2 teaspoon. Then we're going to add 1 teaspoon of chicken bouillon. Toss that into our rice. Give that a good mix. Then I am going to also add just a couple of dashes of cumin. Now I'm just going to add my water to my rice. And I slightly cover my rice. Now I'm just going to mix this, let it come to a boil, place the lid on, and place this on low. Now it's time to start on our tilapia. I am going to add 1 teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil and 1 teaspoon of butter to our pan. I'm just going to get that nice and hot. Then I am going to add in my tilapia. And we're just going to let this cook for about 3 to 5 minutes on each side until the tilapia forms a nice crust. Look at that. Amazing. The crust is a beautiful color. The fish smells amazing. Now it's time to plate our rice and tilapia. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share this content. And hit the bell notification down below so you can be notified for the next video. And for more tasty recipes, go ahead and hit the playlist at the end.